Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling mom of 4 little ones, and on this channel I talk about productivity tips, methods, and resources because peaceful presence can be found when we are good stewards of our time. Now, one of the ways that I think that help maximize productivity is having good, rich resources. And of course, homeschooling resources if you're a homeschooling mom. So today we are going to sit down with my 5th grader and go through all of his curriculum picks for next year. Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. Come on, come on. Are you gonna do this with me or not?
Let's do the high five.
Don't look at the camera. Don't look at yourself. Look at the camera.
What?
Okay? So you're not gonna look at yourself.
What if I look at myself? What is it gonna look like? Is it just gonna be me staring?
No, it's gonna look like you're not looking at them.
Shouldn't I not be looking at them? Wouldn't that be like weird?
Okay. Let's focus. All right, so stop. This is not a picture. Okay, so it's curriculum week and I decided to do something crazy, and I'm going to have my kids here with me. Sean, can I please stop? Can you please stop?
Oh, I'm just
Thank you.
but when you say like, oh, he's been doing curriculum, I'm like, what?
Yeah.
What?
No, no, just be yourself. Good. So
Myself is silly, myself is crazy. Do you call myself silly and crazy?
So I decided to do something and to have my children with me as we go through their curriculum for next year. So a lot of these things, they don't know what they're gonna have for next year. And I don't usually film with my kids for this reason. So we're gonna try it. Hopefully it works. Also, which you probably read from the title, we are going to be doing a giveaway. And so with every video this week, there will be a giveaway attached. The giveaway winner will be announced on my community tab the next day. So 24 hours from when the video is released, the video winner will be announced. Watch the video for a special emoji that will pop up in the corner chosen by yours truly. Place the emoji in the comments and I will do a random draw of whoever is the winner. So, okay. So, to see what will be given away, stay to the end of the video and we'll show you. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so you're not looking at yourself, remember? You're looking at the ones. All right, so for language arts, Sean, you're gonna be doing the good and the beautiful level 4.
This is different.
Are you excited?
It's different than my other one because my other one was like this, but like this.
Oh, your other one was
Horizontal.
no,
vertical.
it was vertical, and this one's horizontal. Yeah,
I learned that in my math. This is horizontal. This is
awesome. So for language arts, we're going to continue with the good and the beautiful, and so
What's
we're going to be
this?
doing the good and the beautiful level 4. And level 4 is pretty much more independent than level 3. I actually think it is independent. It only has a small part with parents, which should make him very happy because he likes to do his work independently. So that's language arts. Okay, so for math, Sean's gonna be doing CLE level 3 as well once he's done with this, because we start school, he's gonna be starting 5th grade in May. We year-round homeschool. So he's probably gonna be done with level 3 by January. Once he's done with level 3 CLE, we're gonna move on to Saxon Math 5-4, which I don't have yet, but for now, CLE level 3. All right, so are you excited?
man. But I'm just looking at all this working now, and I'm scared about college. It's gonna be like this hot.
Right, okay. All right, so the other math curriculum he's gonna be doing is Math UC. Math UC is mastery, so it goes very well with CLE, and he's able to do it independently because he's able to just watch the DVDs and get the Yeah. There's DVDs. So he can either watch the DVDs or the download and be able to just get the, be able to be taught by the DVD. This is single and multiple digit division. So he's super excited to be getting into division. He wants to get into division so bad. So he's really excited about this.
I see. Sissy. Yeah.
Yep, you're gonna be doing division this year.
Why isn't it? Is this the
It's like division is the thing for him. So
division for 5 digit. This is amazing.
You'll learn it. The other thing that we've got for math, which I don't have anything, 3 maths. I know, right? But this last one, he loves. What is it? Because to him, it's more of like a video game, right?
Right.
When anytime it's time to do math, he wants to do this one first. Like, not even math. Anytime it's time to do school, he's like, Mommy, I'm gonna go do this one before I do anything. What's that?
Teaching textbook.
Teaching textbook. Yes, so he really enjoys teaching textbooks. To him, he likes choosing the different avatars, and he likes, what else do you like about it?
I like how you can just, there's noises.
Makes noises.
And plus, sometimes for fun, I just go and choose my wallpaper. And
yeah, that's true. So, and now they have it so that it can be on your tablet or on Mommy's phone. Like they have it so that, but anyways, more on that to come. The next thing he's gonna be doing is spelling UC. Now, spelling UC. Now, we have spelling with The Good and the Beautiful, but this is just an extra supplement that we're gonna be doing next year. So, this is like the 5th grade spelling. You excited? Yeah, big boy. All right, it's got some like colored pencils in there with the erasers.
Yay!
Erasable colored
I
pencils.
love erasable colored pencils. Open it.
All right, here's the next. You ready?
No, I already know. I'm gonna guess. Explode code level 7.
You saw it.
No,
Alright, so-
I already did level 6 and I'm like, I'm guessing explode codes.
So he's really excited about this because he's almost done with the Explode the Code.
One more lesson.
One more Explode the Code. One more Explode the Code. And this one is kind of cool because it's got like crossword puzzles and stuff like that, which he likes to do.
And I love another thing that I like about it is on the front, it does like these pictures. And then it says, do not feed SpongeBob the elephant. And then the cross out, do not feed SpongeBob.
Because he wants to eat, right?
Yes. I just crossed it out with a marker.
So yeah, he enjoys Explode the Code. It's like something that he can do by himself. He doesn't need his mom, and it's easy. Now, this is new for him.
What do you just need? What is it? I'm gonna guess.
You can't guess if you're looking.
Fine.
All right, he's gonna be doing Editor-in-Chief this year.
What?
Yes. What is that? So this is brand new to him. His dad is actually a journalism teacher. And so I thought it would be kind of cool for him to get some editing skills, and this just reinforced.
Is this close?
No. Yeah, don't tell them the secret.
What secret?
Okay, you gotta wait. All right, so Editor-in-Chief, beginning 2, he's gonna be doing, and this just goes over grammar and punctuation, just extra seat work that he'll be doing. Next one is handwriting, level 4.
Oh, I'm excited for this. I love handwriting. My favorite part, doesn't have it. Oh. Best mazes. My first one, the mazes were a little bit too easy, then it got harder and harder, and this one looks impossible. Easily finished.
He loves the mazes. So he likes handwriting. He really prides himself in his cursive and being able to do it like really well and stuff like that. Like he likes cursive more than print. And he just looks for any excuse to write cursive. For geography, he's going to be doing skill sharpeners with Evan Moore, but he's going to be doing level 5. I just haven't gotten it in yet. So this is actually his sister's, this is grade 2, but just imagine a 5 right here. It's pretty much the same thing. This one's that. I just brought it for like visual reference. The next thing he's gonna be learning about is finance, and we're gonna be doing The Secret of Handling Money God's Way by Howard and Bev Dayton. And I'm excited to teach him about things that I honestly never got a chance to learn about when I was in school. We never got to learn about how to handle money and the importance of money and how God wants us to use money. There was just always a emphasis on you need to earn money, but not really how to do it and how to do it well. And especially not how to do it God's way. So we're really excited about these. So next thing he's gonna be doing is Creative Writing 1 with The Good and the Beautiful. And he's a writer. Like, he's got journals everywhere where he's writing stuff down and okay, go ahead.
I was writing a book called Angel Wars.
Yes, and he's writing a book called Angel Wars, if that sounds familiar to you. So he loves writing, and so this will just give him a way to just creative write and just have some sort of structure to it and just expound upon it. So
I'm gonna be a comic book writer.
We'll see. So we're really excited for him to start that. We are also going to be doing rapid recall systems with him, and I have a video on this curriculum and unboxing and a flip through, so I'll link that up above, but it's only about 10 minutes a day. It's super quick, but we're gonna be doing a rapid recall addition and multiplication, which is over there, but we're gonna be doing both. So he's also gonna be doing Bible, and I'll be going over that at the end of the week, exactly what he'll be doing with Bible when we go over how I teach Bible. Now, one of his, and I'm not sure which one of these last two are his favorite, but one is what he got to choose a special thing that he wants to do this year, that he wants to learn about. And what did you choose?
Coding.
Coding. So he's gonna be doing coding without school 1 day a week and just learning how to make some awesome video games.
Exactly, that's the whole point.
All right, now let's talk about what I think is his most favorite thing. I could be wrong. Reading. So he is going to be doing level 6 readers from The Good and the Beautiful. If you'd like to see what each one of those are, I have an unboxing video, which I'll link up above, where I went through all of the level 6 readers that he got. He's gonna be doing Peter and the Pilgrims by Louise A. Vernon. That's my husband. He is, okay. So we're gonna be reading Amos Fortune Freeman together for one of our read alouds for this year with our family curriculum. We are also going to be doing The Sign of the Beaver. Now, these two books are also books that Sean is going to read independently once we are done reading them as a family. And while reading them independently, he is going to be doing the study guides by Progeny Press for both of them. So these study guides go over literature from a Christian perspective. Now, my son loves to read, and he reads fast, and he loves to read for leisure. He'll read while he eats, he'll read first thing in the morning, he'll read at night, he'll read when he's bored. He loves to read. But now I want him to understand that I want him to also understand how to study literature, how to study what he's reading. And so what I love about these study guides is that it guides them when learning about either the backgrounds of the authors or the stories. They have like vocabulary in there that they can focus on. They analyze the literature and different terminology and stuff like that from good books that he's already going to enjoy and digest. So he's gonna be doing Amos Fortune Freeman and The Sign of the Beaver study guide. And maybe some more, who knows? Because he's got a couple of other readers, which will be in, not a couple, he got a lot of other readers, which will be in my read aloud / readers video that's coming out. And in that video, a couple of them, Progeny Press has study guides for. So we have 2 to start out for the year, so let's see how that goes, and then we'll see if we'll add some more or not. Let's talk about the giveaway.
What giveaway? Oh no.
What are we giving away, Sean?
We're giving away home book math. Home book. I said
Yes, we're giving away Humble Math's 100 Days of Time Test Multiplication Problems.
Wait.
We have 2 of these. He actually did this past year. What did you think about it? How did you like these? Or how do you do them?
Well, I'll answer your first question. How do I like them? Not so much.
Not so much.
Second, how do I am?
Sometimes we gotta do things we don't like.
Like if you don't
So
get,
how does it work?
so you get 1 page, and then there's like a time limit.
No, you get 1 page, and then you go as fast as you go, right?
Right.
And then what happens?
And then the score is right here, and then so basically what you're trying to do is if you go backwards and you already did this, you're trying to beat your time.
You try to beat your time. And he doesn't like the anxiety that beating your time brings about. But we have 2 of them. So I will be giving 1 away. Maybe your kids work best with time stuff, right? Right? And sometimes you have to do, and guess what, guys? My kids don't like all of the things that I pick for them for homeschool. Isn't that crazy?
I like this list.
Well,
Skip a few of these. That.
You like all those, right? I know, but sometimes they don't like the things. I know, it's crazy. But all that to say, we're giving this away. If you want it, go ahead and put the emoji in the comments.
What's the emoji?
You have to pick it. I'm gonna put it in the editing.
Can I choose?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Choose fire emoji. Ooh.
Go ahead and put the emoji in the comments, and I will enter you, and there'll be a raffle, and I will release it in the comments. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. And
can I choose where to put it too?
Yes. So thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget it's curriculum week, so we'll see you tomorrow with my daughter's picks. Say bye, Sean.
Bye, bros. I don't know why I said that.
Say bye, Sean.
That's all.
Say bye, Sean.
Bye.